Hey now, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into another makeup tutorial. But this tutorial is elite, okay? Because look at this eye. Get into it, y'all. It is 11/17. That's my brother's birthday. Happy birthday! I've been up since yesterday, okay? And I started makeup at 1 o'clock. It is 11. I'm just not finishing everything that I need to be finished. Y'all, these looks take so freaking long, especially when you're trying to be precise. I'm gonna keep y'all long. I'm gonna try to get right into it. I just threw this wig on, y'all, so if it's looking wiggy, listen, I ain't had time to be playing in my head with those edges. Like, it's gonna be what it's gonna be. But I don't want to keep rambling. I want y'all to get right into the look. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this, then keep on watching.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey gals, so you're tuned in to another tutorial. Of course, that's what I love to do. So I went ahead and I popped the wig on because I was like, baby, something has to give. And I'm really just tired of having to do my edges for that ponytail. I don't know what we're gonna do as far as makeup. I did want to get creative. It is 2 o'clock in the morning, so you already know I'm about to be up. I'm about to be up all night. I just not started. But after you laminate your brows with the 24-hour brow setter, it doesn't even matter what you set your brows with. Just know that if it's brow gel, you have to wait for it to dry before you put your powder on, because this is wet right now, and if I go ahead and put powder on, it's gonna cling to it and it's just not gonna look good. It's gonna look a hot mess. Went ahead and powdered my brows off camera. I went ahead and took one size powder, y'all, and I just went ahead and powdered my brows. I want to fill in my brows using these are the paints. These are my favorite, y'all. You already know these are my favorite. Espresso on the back and Mochaccino on the front. Now that I have my brows outlined, I'm going to go ahead and take this Benefit their Real Extreme Precise Liner pen. I want to go ahead and fill my brows in. To conceal these brows, I'm going to go ahead and take the brand Toofaced Born This Way Multi-Hue Sculpting Concealers in the shade Cookie and Chestnut. Using Cookie first towards the back brow bone highlight. That's the only place I want to use Cookie. And then I'm going to go ahead and use Chestnut everywhere else.
Around 9 p.m. we went back to my house.
Alright, y'all, so I'm literally sitting here trying to think of what I want to do. But I think I know in my head what I want to do. I feel like it's going to be really cute. Oh, I don't know, y'all, but we going to do something. I wasn't going to do nothing dramatic, but I don't know. It's just something. Like, I'm up, so why not? Taking my base for my line, we're going to go ahead and let it sit for a minute. This is the Bfiercebeauty base in IC0. No, IC1, sorry.
At the time, I was very stressed out.
Oh, this is getting good, y'all. This movie getting good on this iPad. Anyways, I blended out my crease, and I'm gonna go ahead now and start figuring out what shadows I want to use. And a canvas is on, and it's just like blank. The world is yours. Like, you can do whatever you want on that eye, okay? Whatever it is. I went ahead and got some shadows. I go into like the same shadow palettes all the time. So I'm gonna take my Morphe 39A palette, and I'm gonna grab this let's see, 6 shadow. The 6 shadow. 2. All right. Change of plans. Actually, change of plans. I'm gonna go ahead with this BPerfect Born Ready Ellie Kelly palette. Y'all, I can't open it because it's cracked. When I want to grab a dark shade out of there, it's really dark. I'm gonna show y'all if I can post it on the screen. The brush, I'm gonna take a tiny brush like this because we want to do detail work. So that movie that I just watched was over with. I gotta find the name of it. But right now I'm watching this German movie. It's called When Life Shatters. So now that we got the shape of the eye, like that looks so good, okay? I went down just a little bit more. Usually I go up, but I went down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a 506 brush from Morphe. Okay, I'm trying to show the brushes so that y'all can see exactly what I'm using. I used a flat brush. I always use a flat brush to pack on my first shadow. This is a real tiny one, and I'm glad that I used a tiny one because it got right into the eye. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this palette. Y'all haven't seen this palette in so long. This is the Plouise. This is one of the first like boxy palettes she came out with. This is the Secret Sinner palette. Do y'all remember this? I'm gonna go ahead and take Love Struck. These two right here, but Love Struck first, and then that one is called Fling. So Love Struck first on a 506 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and stay low with this. It's like a brown warm shade. Let's see if I want to use that or not. I'm staying right on top of that shadow. Just stay low, stay low, stay low. Back and on, you can swirl it. I feel like when you try to swirl it, it kind of disturbs the product, so you don't want to do that. And take another 506 brush and go in with Fling, like I said. Up. I'm staying low with this only because I don't want to go up. I'm gonna go ahead off camera and blend everything back in, and then we're gonna go ahead and carve this crease out. Yeah, so now we got the desired look that we want. Should I not crease? I want to go ahead and take Vaseline. I do Marcella water too, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take Vaseline. I'll take this in the back of my hand, and the brush that I'm gonna use is Go Stopper brush. Let's see. Now I'm about to go ahead and add my liner. It's my AB Crystal liner in the shade Apple Green Crystal. So I'm about to carve out this liner again, y'all. And then we'll go ahead and cut our crease. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my blank canvas base, y'all. I'm gonna carve it out, and then I'm gonna carve it out one more time. Now I'm about to go ahead with some more Vaseline and cut my crease again. And we're going to go ahead and add Barbieboo here. We're going to cut it in there and on the outer parts, leaving the center blank. I've been trying to be so precise, like, girl, bye. Like, at this point, no. This beauty in, I'm gonna go ahead and I want to add gold in a sense. Like, I don't know, it's calling me. Let me cut it again to like sharpen it. Y'all, it's literally 7 in the morning. I need to hurry up. I'm about to go ahead and take ruler number 2 and we're gonna carve out the center of this. So we got the halo going on. So I'm gonna let this dry just a little bit. And I wanna go in with this gold right here out of the Persuasion palette. I just want everything to be like smooth and clean. That's how I feel when it comes to when I do my makeup. I want everything to be clean. Okay, even if the look ain't it, as long as it's clean, it's fire. Now it's time to add this gold. I did go ahead and take a brush to blend out the edges some more. Five or six are my best friend or something, cause baby, they come in handy. Here we go. Set this in. I'm gonna go back in with Barbieboo and kind of clean that brown up. I don't know. I'm trying to see if I want to set it with something. Actually, Gold Digger from who is that? Makeupaddiction. Remember them, y'all? I got all the old stuff still. I'm telling you. Going to add to be. I'm thinking about adding Pearl Reflector. So for the last pigment, I'm gonna go ahead and take Reflex Gold by MAC. That's just time for me to clean this up. Mascara. I'm watching this movie, y'all. It's a German movie, but somebody is trying to set her up. Like, it is crazy. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all, y'all gotta go watch the movie. It's like they talking in English, but y'all know it's a German movie. Look at this, hey, y'all. I did shorter lashes because somebody did recommend for me to do short lashes so that they could see that I look. But y'all know how I feel about short lashes. I don't really like them like that, but this is cute. This is cute. I like these. I'm so glad I got me an espresso machine. Oh my god. Okay, so for face, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tula. I'm gonna moisturize. Yes, I'm happy that I got me an espresso machine. Like, I don't have to go buy the cold coffee. I got hot coffee. I'm gonna use the foundation that I used that I have been using lately because I don't want to use it all. So it's time to switch. The foundations that I do have, some of them got the wrong color. Like, I don't know why I was thinking this, but I got the wrong color in them. So I stick to the ones that I feel like match me best, and I keep using them, Okay, I know I'm looking crazy right now, but I did go ahead and take my Ruby Kisses HD Concealer Foundation. This is in the shade, it's orange. Just an orange concealer. And normally my hyperpigmentation is around my mouth. And then I'm getting something right here. My mama's getting this as well. But hers is clearing up. It might be hereditary right there, but whatever. Well, it's not hereditary. Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. This right here. Shade 15 Neutral. I'm in the shade 15 Neutral. Like, can we talk about the skin? Glowy, dewy, like that foundation is it. Plus the combinations that I combine with it is like A1. I'm looking at my monitor, y'all. That's why I keep looking over here. But yeah, it's just, it looks really good. The Too Faced ones, I'm gonna use these. My skin looking so good. Now I'm about to go in with this. So I don't really have no more of this like that. Oh, down to my last. I'm gonna put on my forehead. I can't find my brush, y'all. I'm just going to brush it out with this one. The longest look ever. It is 11:18 right now. I'm about to go to bed, okay? I always say that after every tutorial. That's because I start late. I feel like I'm a night owl when it comes to doing these kind of intricate looks, these tutorials, because my mind be up, I be up, and it's just only right to just get it out. I wish that, shoot, I had a better liner brush. That's what I want. See, the wig just wanna do its own thing. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe on your way up out of here. And until then, see you guys on my next one. Bye, y'all.